a war happening next to your country, maybe your best friend getting a promotion, somebody losing their job at the same time, while the fittest influencers showing up on your feed telling you to be fit. So before you even started your day, you have this information overload, you have experienced the whole spectrum of emotions from grief to envy to sadness to hope without making any sense of it. And I do believe the way Gen Z and the way younger generation feels emotions is, what we see on our feed, we feel it very viscerally. For example, if somebody's talking about climate change, there's this innate need to be able to do something about it, which is not, which is not really possible because there's so much going wrong with the world at all points of time, but you can't take an action every single time because it's just not in your hands. So you have so much information but without any agency, so you're in this constant state of flux. And this is a generation that was raised during COVID, so a lot of people come out and say that it's okay, you can just stop spending time on screens. You don't need to be spending so much time on your phone, but that's not possible because this is all that this generation knows. That phone, that rectangular screen that you have in your hand, that's our social lives, that's our work, that's our opportunities, that's how we experience the world and how we make sense of the world. But at the same time, it's also very tumultuous, spending so many hours, being so drowning in this information overload. At the same time, continuously emotionally context switching from grief to fear to happiness to sadness without knowing what to do with it. So I think it's very, very important in times like these for the youth of the country to have tools which can help them understand themselves better, why they're going through, what they're going through, because we have plethora of terms thrown around. We talk about boundaries, we talk about burnout, we talk about a lot of emotions, but the underlying current or what to do when you know that you're going through this is not available to anybody. We'll say